When it comes to human relationships, respect is very important. A relationship that is devoid of respect has a higher chance of crumbling than a respectable relationship. You might feel like you're taken lightly, being ignored, or even being used. But did you know that there are tricks that you can implement to command respect immediately? This video is going to open your eyes to 5 of them. Are you ready? Holding eye contact. Some of you might not agree with this one, but eye contact is a great way to get respect. Holding your gaze when you're in a conversation with someone is going to make you get taken more seriously. It will also instill your words better in the minds of the other person, because you're having a proper conversation with them. So next time you meet someone, look directly into their eyes and speak, and you might feel a sort of closeness that will make them respect you more. Confronting your weaknesses. The human mind is designed to run away from challenges most of the time. If you want people to respect you more, then don't be afraid to face your weaknesses and tackle them. Most people believe that showing signs of strength and putting up a facade of boldness will make them more respected, but it doesn't work this way. Overconfidence will sometimes make people believe that there is something you're hiding, and people might not even be convinced that you're trying to seem strong when you're not. Most people don't care if you make a mistake because they all have their own lives to live. If you want to command more respect, confront your flaws genuinely. Compliment people more. Genuine compliments go a long way to making people like and respect you more. When other people around you get successful, you might feel jealousy creep in. Because of this, you might feel like there is a good reason to undermine the success of your counterparts, and it might lead to jealousy and self-absorption, which will make people respect you less. When you compliment others and congratulate them for their achievements, it's going to make them respect you more because it's going to make them feel good. So try this next time you see someone do something really well, like they dress nicely. Compliment them, and it might not be a bad idea. Oh, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. On to the next one. Dress well. There's a saying that a first impression lasts longer, and the first impression someone has of you is a strong indicator of what that person is going to be and if they're going to like you or not. When you don't dress well or look well dressed, people might not respect you that much. Wearing good clothes can boost your confidence exponentially and also help you command respect. Many people like to dress in a way that will make them blend in with society, and although this might not be really good, why not dress in a way that will make you stand out? Now, we're not saying that you need to overdo it and dress in a ridiculous manner, but wearing something nice and then spraying on some cologne can actually boost your confidence and also your own self-respect. It's going to give you an edge when you're just meeting someone for the first time. Listen more. Sometimes when people talk about their situation and their day, they're not looking for someone that will give them advice, they're just looking for a good listener. Nobody likes to be interrupted when they are having a conversation with someone, and people will prefer that someone listens more and speaks less. If you are the listening type and the patient type, well, people are going to give you more respect, and they're going to talk about you in a more respectable manner because they're going to see you in a better light than if you keep on interrupting them. So if you really want to command respect, listen more, speak less. Speaking of speaking less, thanks for watching this video. Check out this related one, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.